The next tool that I want to show you is probably the tool that you're going to use most of all in Revit, and that is the trim tool. Let's start off by cleaning up what we've got in here. I want you guys to really practice using this filter command because you're just going to need to use it so many times. So check none. Selected all the walls, and I'm going to delete. You can see I copied the elevations out a few times in some previous projects. I'm just going to select them, delete them again. I'm going to say OK, so my elevation should just remain the same, east, north, south, west. Now I'm going to hit WA for wall, then I'm going to draw some walls, escape here, and I'm going to draw a wall in through here, and maybe a wall in through here, and another wall like that. Now I'm going to trim the walls. So I can click on Trim over here, and what I need to do in Revit is click the walls that I want to keep. So I want to keep this wall, and I want to keep that wall, and then that will make a corner for me. Revit will also extend the walls at the same time, so if I want to keep that wall and I want to keep that wall, bang, we'll trim that wall and extend that wall at the same time. Very straightforward, very, very powerful tool. One more time with that. Extend that wall across through there, extend it through here, and let's trim that together. So I trim that one, two, I can trim that together, and that can you trim together. These won't trim together because they're parallel to each other, so we can just do WA for wall. I could draw a little wall like that, for instance, and then TR for trim. 1, 2, and I've trimmed that all together. Just a little side point, over here you can see this wall is not straight, and I might want to straighten that wall out. I can click on that wall, grab the control point of that, and just snap that in, and then trim those two walls together again.